Well, one of the reasons why I think that it's ridiculous, why I've liked your stock so much, does have a pattern of going down after report, after a great quarter. Take a look at it like this, is that you do have one of the great macro trends of our time going for you, the housing market, then overlay the hybrid office housing market. And again, it comes back to Williams-Sonoma's wheelhouse.
Right. I mean, people are getting increasingly more comfortable with hybrid. I don't think it's either or. I think it's and. And that's great because if you're at home even one day a week or half day, you're working shorter hours and coming home and doing some of it early morning, you are going to care more about what your house looks like.
Right.
And, you know, at the same time, people are going out to dinner, but they've learned how to cook.
I know.
They've learned how to cook.
And I also, something that you're doing that I love, aside from your loyalty program, which is first party, I like that. Subscription. What a great business subscription. Tell us about that, especially for the holidays.
So I think innovation is always important. It's not just the website. It's where you show up.
Right.
And, you know, whether it's an app, and we have a great kids app, we have a registry app, and now we have a recipe app.
Right.
You know, and it's such an obvious because we have all this content and recipes that we wrote for cookbooks through the years, but we never figured out a way to get it in a modern way to our customers other than our website.
The last thing is that this was a layup. I don't know why. I mean, it should have been done a long time ago, but people didn't have I think they didn't have the imagination. They're letting you into the office. You're doing business to business.
Yes.
It's working.
Big opportunity.
Now, what do they do? Do they bring your designers in? Do people know they have designers that can come in and help?
We don't just make our product contract grade. What we're also doing is that we're designing for you. So for example, if you're doing a big hotel and you want a certain type of table or a certain type of bed, we'll work with you to design it. And we'll do it from the rug to the curtains to the bed. And you know, we're looking at all new opportunities there. I mean, sky's the limit, I think, on this business. It's a big market.
And do they care about sourcing responsibility? I mean, one of the things I saw you when you were at my conference, I didn't know that wood could be sourced irresponsibly, but it can be, correct?
Yeah, and people do really care. It's sometimes a part of when they're building something, the requirements in that building.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @JimCramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Kramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.